This is the Lone Creator YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by installing and opening OneNote, then sign in with the Microsoft account that holds your notebooks. Make sure two-step verification is completed if required, because syncing depends on authenticated access. Once signed in, confirm the iPad is online and its date/time are correct, since certificate checks can fail otherwise. After that, tap Notebooks to load your list. This first load kicks off the initial sync and reveals any notebooks that need explicit opening or permission grants. Once a notebook appears, tap it to open and allow OneNote to download recent sections. This creates local cache for faster edits. If sections aren't current, pull down on the notebooks list to force a manual sync. This pushes and pulls changes immediately. Make sure you check settings, then accounts to confirm the right account is active and has permission to access shared notebooks. Also, give OneNote background app refresh permission, so updates continue when you switch apps or lock the iPad. Finish by verifying each notebook shows a recent sync timestamp. Tap a section to ensure pages load and edits save. If conflicts appear, open the conflict pane and pick the correct version, because merging prevents data loss. If a notebook refuses to sync, clear OneNote cache or sign out then sign back in. Do this only after confirming notebooks exist on OneDrive or SharePoint, since deleting local data won't remove server copies. If problems persist, restart the iPad, then re-add the account.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.